freaking well show.
What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here. I just got a DM from STPO ZD. He's a wrestler. Badass dude. Let's get a shirtless picture of him right there. Did you get it? So he actually, this isn't a question from him. It's a comment. He sent me this book, and check that out. That's a nice book. E-score 68. That means it sold at least 68 times. It had at least a day with a sale in the last 6 months. 68 days with sales, at least one sale. It's a confusing metric, but it sold at least 68 times. The target profit is 226. He got this book by using a negotiation technique. And the tactic that I use, it's from Never Split the Difference, Chris Voss. I use this all the time. You ask the question, you ask a no question, because salesmen are always chasing yes. So you have to do the opposite. You ask a no question. You say, would you be opposed to me paying $5 for this book? Or would you be opposed to me paying $26 for this book? Or would you be opposed to me sleeping at your house for the night? Would you be opposed to me grabbing something out of the refrigerator? Most people are used to you chasing yes. So you're like, please say yes, please say yes, please say yes. They're used to that. So you have to switch the script on them and say, ask a no question. It doesn't have to be a would you be opposed to, but would you be opposed to is a good way to flip any question. Any yes question, add would you be opposed to the beginning of it, it usually switches it to a no question. So if you're quoting textbooks, if you're trying to get someone to close a business deal with you, if you have a business partner that you're pursuing and you really want them to work with you, ask a no question. See what happens. Peace out, guys. Get after it. Much love.
Sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones. A night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main